the Kipping Handstand Push-up. Okay, so the Kipping Handstand Push-up, we are using our legs to get some momentum to kind of make that push a little bit easier. The way that we want to set up for this is by kicking up against a wall. If you can do it freestanding without a wall, then you're amazing. But we want to make sure that the pushing mechanic is the same as we would use for a regular push-up. And that's why we stress how to do a push-up correctly, because we want it to transfer to doing this. So when you kick up against the wall and you lower yourself down, we want to finish in a position that creates a tripod between our two hands and our head. So a tripod has 3 legs, and they are not in a straight line. They are offset like a triangle. So in that bottom position of the push-up, your head should be out in front of your hands a ways. You should be able to see your hands in your periphery. So that means that when you lower yourself down, your hands are coming down here and not straight out here and aside. And that's where most people run into problems. The shoulders don't bend well if you take them straight out here, and so you won't be able to get all the way to the bottom. But taking them out here, where they should be, requires a lot of strength. So you have to pay attention to that and work really hard at that. Then once you've got yourself lowered into that bottom position, you're going to tuck your knees down toward your elbows and actually hinge at the hip so that you can, when you extend your legs quickly, you get as much energy moving upward to help you in that press overhead. Okay? So we have that tripod position that is super important, and we want to hit that position every single time when we come down. And then we want to make sure that we're using our hips and legs to help get us up in the air. Now when you use your hips and legs to go up in the air, you want to make sure that you're using them first. So with hips and knees and legs need to extend and then press with the arms. If you try to press with your arms before you get that momentum from your legs, you're not going to go anywhere. Okay? So I'll show you one more here. Tripod position. Hips and knees are bent. Extend and push. Come down. Okay. That is a Kipping Handstand Push-up.